Making your docking visible online with iDOCK. There are several concerned problems in the ship repair process. Lack of planning. Over budget. Out of control. Arising of unexpectations. We hope to access the necessary repair information anytime, anywhere. iDOCK makes true reflection and visualization for all participants at all stages. Below we will use an example, MV Isabel, to illustrate how iDOCK brings us a convenient and visual experience. iDOCK Spec Generator allows us to create a repair specification template easily through a simple conversation with AI Assistant. After that, you can download, send by email, or submit your repair request to iDOCK online for quotations. iDOCK will show the quotation online, and there will be a historical record for proposed payment terms, as well as each price adjustment. The entire repair process will be presented online in real time, from entry, inspection, commencement, docking, undocking, completion, sailing, and the others that we are concerned about. First of all, we will start from status. Here we can engage in details related to the project, such as asking questions, providing answers, liking, and more. For generator repair, we can see the entire progress. We can also use Search plus Tag Marked, for example, selecting checking for status of repair and docking for type of repair. By such way we can easily locate the repair status of the items which we are concerned about. Repair specification is displayed hierarchically.
Of course, it could be edited easily, and any modifications made will be reminded to another side in real time. Both parties can confirm the modifications or discuss them further.
Gantt charts mark repair goals and progress, visually display key stages, time-based repair task control, and provide decision support through milestone analysis. Sometimes, the late arrival of key spare parts will extend the repair schedule, thus increasing the cost of repairs. But these could be completely avoidable if the absence of spare parts could be discovered in advance. By iDOCK, we can propose in advance, and all parties involved can work closely together. While repairing ships abroad, switching between multiple softwares can lead to information repetitiveness or gaps. iDOCK's project group chat streamlines communication for efficient problem solving.